What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out at the Topanga Mall. Saw some crazy steals of champs, so I had to go to a mall with the champs in it. Let's go see what's up. All right, let's go. I hope I can find some stuff, man. I'm so excited. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 70% off sale signs. I've pretty much seen them at every other champs. I only see 50% off signs here. It's a Fresh Prince of the Bel Air Academy. Got these, the nuggets. These are going for 50% off, so $65. Not really the deal I'm looking for. Dang, dude. Yeah, they don't have them. They just have them 50% off here. They do not have it 70%, just like some of the other spots. They got this. I love the Vince Carter one, but like that one's just a little too colorful. I don't need all those extra colors. The Shaquille one as well. I love these, but I don't need all these extra colors, bro. Like that's just not necessary. These are going for $165, and then you get 50% off. That's still too much, $80-something. All right, this is all right, but $82.50. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. See, I just bought these shorts for 70% off. It's only 50% off here. I wonder if it's priced wrong here. I wonder if it's like I would ask if I really wanted these. I would go over there and be like, hey, can you do a price check on this? Because most of the times if it's on sale at one spot, it's usually on sale everywhere. Ooh, got Dodgers shorts. What size is this? Size is this? There's a large, $1.20 though. 120, 30. It would be $36 if it was 70% off. At the end, they got one of these. They got a Kukoc jersey too, but it's like this Chinese New Year, like all colorful stuff. Like, yeah, that's just too much. We don't need that, do we? All right, so my guess was correct. Yeah, these are 70% off. I did get this for $36, $40 after tax, which I don't know. Should I have spent that much? I'm not even that much of a Dodgers fan, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, these are going for 70% off. If it's not showing up at 70% off at your spot, make sure you have them scan it because it's just marked wrong. So I'm pretty sure everything here is 70% off. So even these, even at 70% off, forgot how much it was. So $165, it'd be like $45. It'd be like $48 actually. I'm good on that. And then they do have a bunch of hats. They're going for $20. Look, Mitchell and S fitted hats. A lot of dope stuff on it. You know, Mitchell and S always has a bunch of dope stuff. Look, it has all the parts of LA. $20. These are normally $45, so that's a really good discount. They have a few different sizes. This one does have the finals years, that type of stuff on it. Pretty fire. These are also fitted hats right here. Got Rams hats, normally $40 down to $20. More Lakers hats. Chargers hat. This one's actually pretty fire. I think this one I bought for my boy. Yeah, this is $75 normally. It's a just on collection. So yeah, normally $75 down to $20. I think I paid $20 for the one that I got for my boy. Got huge head right here is 3/4. That works right there. Bunch of hats, $20, not bad. Moving on to the sneakers, we are seeing these for $80. Griffey's down to 100 right here. Keeping track of the Kyries, the Kyrie lows. The two on the end go for $80. 574s, 50, $60. Look at that extra long hair suede. These go for 50 as well. Brooks Endorphins. I think these are their max cushion shoes. These normally go for like 160, 150 or something like that. So nice little discount. These on sale for 100. It came off normally 160. Not bad if you like to run. Dude got Kyrie's right here. Look at this. Look at this. Vapor Max down to $120, matching the outlet prices. Dude got a lot of red signs. I'd say at least half of their stuff on sale right now, but not the craziest sales. Dude got the Toro Bravo 6. Still got those. Oh, wait, look, got these for 80 bucks too. Outlet price right here. They only have a size 8. Infinity one flying at 3s down to 80. But hats, really good deal. And I got these bad boys, 70% off. Pro standard shorts. All right, let's go. Got multiple resale shops now because they got a Mag Park here as well. But we're finding steals at the retail shop, so let's go. Let's go Foot Locker. No 70% off racks here. Oh, it does say, oh, okay, this is $23. Rip and dip, what the hell? Stuff on sale here. Don't see any 70% off though. What these shorts going for? These shorts going for $40. These going for 40 bucks. Okay. Yeah, you know I looked everywhere. No 70% off racks here. All right, start with some Air Max. I've never even seen this colorway. 120 bucks, not bad. Not bad. These are what ones have sold. $55 off. Not too shabby. Got dunks. We've been seeing dunks. Here we got tons of dunks. These are the ones that are canvas. Got that crack leather on it as well, and then got some gray with sail, gray, black, and sail. More 97s. Oh man, this one got like, oh, I was like, is that tumbled leather? Is that cracked? Okay, I don't know. Yeah, a lot going on. Got these for 100, okay. And these so remind me of the neon Air Max 95s. This is a dope colorway. I don't know why, but I like that. I like that neon. The little hint of neon, not too much. One of the newer colorway of the pumps. I don't know, I'm just not into these. Shaq Victories. And then another pump. Like, I love all the pumps, but apparently not. I thought I loved all the pumps. But yeah, dude, got these Answer Pump Fusion. Like, there's nothing wrong with this. This is fire. Just keep it like that, you know what I'm saying? And then got these slides. Yes, dude, got these slides. I'm curious about something. Hold on. I'm trying to figure it out because even a size 9 is loose. It is loose. And even this, damn, these are hella big. My feet can fit in a size 9. I think a 10 would be optimal for the length. But the opening on this, the girth is just way too big. Like, my feet aren't like super skinny or anything. I don't know if you guys had that issue with these. Like, I grabbed one for hella cheap. I got one for $27, something like that. And it's a size 11, and all my slides are size 11s, and the opening is just way too big. Opening is way too big. Even on the 9, it's slightly big on me. I don't know if you guys have that issue. But yeah, they do got a ton of different colorways. $55 for those. Actually, the newer colorways are $60. Those are $55 because those came out a while back. The white and this gray one are both $60. Okay, everything's going up, right? They do look fire though. And these are $60 as well. The Jordan Hydro. This is the 3 white cement. Okay, this is not the reimagined because I don't know. I got one. Mine's from 2018. It looks the exact same. Mine's all scratched up though. Haven't seen one of these. The 312s. This is a combination of the 3s. You got the 3 back tab. You got the 3 midsole right there. But then you got, I don't know, where's the 2 actually? It's the 3 1-2s. Got the 1s on the top, and then I know it's a 2. Where's the 2? I don't know. It's a 1 outsole. Oh, I don't know where the 2 is. I know it's a 3 1-2. It's a combination of the 1, 2, and 3s. Designed by Don C, I believe. It's got 6s. Got the white elephant 1s. Got some mids, lows. Reverse colorway of that other mid up top. More mids, more lows. That's about it. 36s. Why do they still have 36s? What the hell? What the hell? That's crazy. All right, and then I'm surprised those aren't even like more reduced or more discounted. But yeah, we have seen the Lucas on sale. And then this is the second Foot Locker we've seen these Zion 1s. What the hell? What's up with that? Make sure you guys go up half a size, maybe even a full size on these. These run hella tight, hella small, way small. And that goes along with the second silhouette as well. Man, I had to go up half a size on both of these. Yeah, half a size. And I feel like I could have gone a full size because they're super tight. Some 37s, 37 lows. Why are these regular price? What the hell? This is huge too, man. God damn, dude. They're freaking huge. And they got a ton of different LeBrons. Ton and ton of LeBrons. Pretty much all of them still there. This is the only one on sale though, which is interesting. Because this one came out way before, but maybe they restocked on these and you know, this is the original batch. I don't know. All right, Zoom Freaks. I don't know. They're here. The Air More Tempos. I think that's a dope colorway. That one right there is just awful with the material and stuff. Colorway, kind of weird too. Yeah, that's pretty much about it right here. I will show you the Cosmic Unity 3s. It's like a interesting knit material. I've never seen that before. It's like the third version of Battle Knit or something. But that's definitely interesting. But yeah, this is a significant departure from the Cosmic Unity 2s right here. Big difference. The ankle collar still has a ton of padding. But yeah, it looks way different. Okay, what these going for? $160. This is the bougiest corner you'll see at any mall pretty much. Got Louis Vuitton right there. Got Cartier coming. Got Gucci on that corner. And then Tiffany right there. And then you have Neiman Marcus at the end. Pretty much one of the bougiest malls I go to, because I don't really go to too many bougie malls. All right, let's go check out, I think 2 more stores. I was gonna show you guys Magnolia Park too, but they moved. But I'm not gonna go look for them because I don't have time for that. Damn, dude, this Finishline, it's closed for now. They're making some changes. They're changing it to a JD Sports. Is that what that means? I don't know. Oh, Rundown LA moved here. They moved here from Culver City, I guess. They weren't in Culver City that long at all. All right, got Shoe Palace. Look around here. Last sneaker shop we're gonna visit for this video. Jordan section right here. Okay. To be honest, nothing really we haven't seen before. You know, we'll go through it real quick. Toro 6s. Got these bad boys, the mids. 11 low IEs. They are on sale $150, normally $185. Got the craft, handcrafted, the 5s right here. Got some 7s. Comfort 11 lows, $130. Got the Hydro 11s. I guess it matches the cherry colorway. And these Comforts are on sale. Okay. What sneaker had the biggest rise in hype more than these 550s, dude? 550s were so hyped. Couldn't find any of them for about a year, and then all of a sudden now you can find every colorway. Okay. And they even got more up here. Holy crap. Holy cow. The Cloud Monsters. Okay, this is their max cushion shoe. Supposed to compete with the Hoka. Supposed to compete with the Endorphins. Supposed to compete with the I don't think it has carbon fiber in it. So I think I'm trying to remember which Nike doesn't have the carbon fiber. The Pegasus. The Pegasus Next Natures, I guess, because 170 is about that price point. Yeah, I don't know. I'm hearing good stuff about them. I've never tried them before. I'm not a big fan of the way they look, but yeah, $160, $169.99, $170 for this. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway of the RSX. Okay, it's pretty nice. Something different than all the other RSX out there. You got the Ralph Sampsons on sale. Dope, classic colorway right here. And this is the Marathon Continues one. Okay, so that's the Nipsey Hussle one right there. That's fire that it's on sale. And got these green Puma suedes on sale too. Okay. Got Doyer hoodies. Is this a Fanatics? Oh, okay, Fanatics. Look at that. They're learning from some of the other companies. They're learning from Pro Standard. They're learning from Mitchell Ness. They're putting a bunch of other stuff. But these are just, what are they pressed? They're pressed on, so they're not the highest quality. $75. I'm gonna be honest. I'd rather pay extra for the Pro Standard one, which tend to be thicker, and not everything's just pressed on. It's a little bit nicer. Yeah, $75 for this. Then, what the hell is that? 40? Is it 40% off, or is it 40%? I don't know. But what are these? It says Chicago on it. They're okay. All right. I'm pretty sure all these are on sale too. Usually when they're on sale at one spot, they're on sale at other spots. But this does have the big old Los Angeles Lakers on the crotch. This has Chicago on it. Not the biggest fan. That's smart of them to put the Mason article stuff right here. You know, kind of gives it, it's kind of the same gold as the Lakers stuff right there. These are probably hella cheap. I think these are like $10 or something. Damn, does your boy know or does your boy know? That's what I'm talking about. $10. This is like really thick, really nice stuff, and this will match with the Lakers gear, so that's actually really dope. Yeah, like a Lakers hoodie or something you could wear with the Lakers hoodie. Don't have to pay that Lakers price. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, $35. All these are buy one get one free. Half baked merch. Chappelle when he was in his 20s. Cool minute ago. I just realized I really like the Mason article shirts, and they're cheap, 2 for $25. The only issue is, like, they're oversized like crazy. This is a large. God damn, this looks like a double XL and shit or something. Holy cow. Man, okay, maybe I might try to find like a medium, or maybe even a small since it's so freaking oversized. No, this is a medium. Yeah, this would fit me. This would be fine. Maybe I'll try to find one of these. I just like the really thick elastic part up top. But they don't got any white ones here. Don't got any white ones. All right. The women's section of Jordans do got these. These are dope, dude. I don't know. People calling these the pandas. I don't know. Black and white Jordan 1 low. For the women's sizes, $110. And then kind of have most of the other J's that they have at most of the other shoe palaces. I'm gonna be honest, not as many sales as Foot Locker. Not as many sales. Oh, they do. Oh, these so remind me of the neons too. Like there's that neon right there, but like kind of like a, what's that? A brown colorway right there. All right, I think that's about it. I think I'm gonna wrap things up, man. These mother lovers moved. Finishline is right there now. Damn, I didn't know that. Foot Locker right there. It's pretty much right under Foot Locker. All right, I'm tired, so I'm gonna go. But yeah, right next to the Lego store, guys. Damn.